How to install online drivers. Step number 1. Open your browser. Step number 2. Click to URL bar and write down drp.su. Step number 3. After open website, click to install all required drivers option. Step number 4. After download, run it. After run it, click to expert mode, click to software and uncheck those software you want to not install. Step number 5. Click to drivers and click to install all. Step number 6. After installation complete, go to restart option and restart your PC or laptop.